Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete the poster with contacts on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments. And let's you and I finally get started. So, first of all, open the phone app on your iPhone. And then you'll need to go to the contacts section. And here you'll need to select a user that you've already, let's say, made a poster to before. As you can see, I already have such a contact. And then, so that you can delete it, in the upper right corner, click Edit. And then you'll see underneath the poster you'll also see the word Edit. Click on that. And here you will be able to see all the posts that were previously made to this particular contact. As you can see, I only have one poster. If you have made more of them, however, you will of course have more. And in order to delete old contacts, you'll just have to swipe the poster up and you'll see the trash can sign. In order to delete a poster. But as you can see, there is always one poster left that cannot be deleted. And in order to delete it, this main poster you will need to create a new one. Click. After you create a new poster, you can go back and delete the main poster that you currently have for that contact. That's how it is, friends. You will be able to delete a poster to a contact on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Write your comments, please put your likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.